This is the Elgato Light Strip Pro. Elgato sent this to me and we're gonna unpack it. Thank you so much for sending it. We're gonna test it out, see how it is. Let's jump into it. Elgato started doing these color-free packagings just to save nature. Manual, the light strip, the connector, safety manual, tape, British block, I think. This is a connector piece. Power supply, we can actually change in the power supply we need. And in this bag, we do have some more options. For me, this European one. And I can just turn it on here. Click. And now I just have the appropriate power supply. I don't need these other two, so I'm just gonna, I don't know, keep them somewhere. I usually don't turn them away. I don't know why, because I don't need them, but they just go with the stack of other ones. I guess if I ever travel, I can use them. Although I don't know for sure which one is for which country. So if you guys know which one is this one, number 1, and which one is this one, number 2, let me know. Number 1, number 2, let me know. Alright, so I made a bit of a mess of the table. But what we need to do is basically, we need to plug in the power supply into this little Light Strip Pro connector. Here we go. And this is the actual light strip. And what we need to do is we need to get this off. Whoop. Here we go. And then we can plop it in here at the end. I don't seem to be finding anything in the manual about this little piece, but I'm pretty sure this piece is for if you want to connect 2 of them. Now, on this light strip packaging, it also gives you some hints. And it says you can cut this light strip. So you can cut it into 2. You can only use the one that is attached to the power supply. The other one doesn't magically work anymore, right? So you cut it off, you can't use that part anymore. But if you don't want it to be as long, you can cut off a part. Do not cut on the lights itself. It does have cut lines. Here, for example, is a cut line. You can see it's indicated here. These are cut lines. Here is no cut line. So don't cut there, okay? Cut on the cut line. If you cut on a different spot than a cut line, it won't work. You demolish the light. So make sure that you cut on cut lines. The light would just work with the Elgato app, which you can access with your phone, or you can just do with your computer. Just works with the other Elgato lights, the Elgato Control app. I've also been told that there is a magnet in this. So it has a magnet and it will stick. Oh. I don't know if this is metal enough, but I do feel, oh yeah, look. I'm gonna try and slap it on some things, okay. Let's also try the colors in the dark and see how it looks like. I love that you can pair it with the Elgato ecosystem, so you can also use your Stream Deck with it. You can turn it on off with it, you can change colors, you can change brightness. You can even pair it with some programs like Lumia Stream, where your viewers can turn on and off the lights with viewer commands in your chat. I do have a video on how to use Lumia Stream right here in the card above. So make sure to watch that if you want to know how to do that with the Elgato lights. I also have a whole playlist on Elgato gear, because they do have a lot of gear for streamers, and if you ask me, they do have a lot of good gear for streamers. If you don't want to miss anything, make sure to subscribe right here. YouTube will recommend this video, and go watch this one as well if you're at it.